What's going on, traders? It's your boy Marv, the man, the myth, the professor, coming at you with another day trading recap. Man, I'm hoping that y'all having the same success that I am. The market is doing well, man. It's moving. These penny stocks, I'm finding these movers, and I'm taking advantage of them. I hope you're doing the same. So let's start with our recap, and we're going to always start with the market. It is 12:25 Pacific Standard Time, which means that the market is still open. So I'm going to share my screen, and we will start actually with the Dow. Okay, so here we go. Here's the Dow, and this is the daily on the Dow, and we're having an inside day, so it's moved up these couple of days. This morning there was news saying that it was down 200 points or something like that, and they were concerned. There's always something, man, like I've learned over time. Don't get hyped up over this stuff. Read the chart for what the chart is, and don't do nothing else. Okay, so inside day, remember I told you our next goal is right here. Right here. This is the next location, okay? And I told you if it pulled back, we just don't want it to pull back no further than the 200 MA. And if all those things stay intact, all will be well, okay? So this is good. We're still coming back, you know, from all of the craziness that sparked this whole recession in the first place, okay? The SPY is going to look no different, and the SPY is just closer to that area that it has to be. If I truly wanted to be a stickler, I would say the SPY has to beat that price right there, 326. Okay, we'll just leave it there, 326. Having an inside day, but it's a green day. Okay, don't panic if this thing come back here, long as it don't go lower than that. Okay, it's okay if it pivots. Pivots are okay because it can't just go up forever. Okay, so just understand that. All right, but we got a couple good things. Look at this, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful crossing of the 20 MA over the 200 MA. That, my friends, is important. So we'll just let it all play out. Okay, read the charts. Remember, don't get to predicting, don't get to none of that. Just read the chart and let the chart tell you what's going on. All right. Ton of good plays today. I ain't gonna tell you no lie. I went into pre-market and I was like, man, this is kind of looking here. But it was 6 options. So I guess is only if there's 1 or 2 options. It was 6 options. So I shouldn't really been saying that. They just didn't have really good setups. Maybe that's what was throwing me off. Okay. And there was really it was no significant news. Only one company had significant news, which I'll talk about. So anyhow, first stock that I traded was, I can't remember. Hold on, let's go to the chart. We're just gonna go to it and figure it out because I really don't remember. Let's go ahead and share the screen. What did I trade first? All right, IZEA. Okay, game plan. Stock is moving on news of a new Fortune 500 company has several buy areas. We'll have to watch this one closely to pick an area. What did I mean by that? Here's where it was at pre-market, coming close to the open. So at first I wanted to buy this area at 240 because it was up here at 260. I was like, oh, this is going to be a good area. But it started to fade. This is why you never get too excited until about 628 because that's when you know things start fading. So I said, okay, well, I could try here. I don't like it. Well, the next best place, in my opinion, to try was here or $2, the whole dollar mark. So right here was 208. My first trade that I took was right here at 208. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and bring up the 3-minute chart. Here it goes. It comes in at 208. Okay. And I've been really moving towards, about the 5%, anywhere between 5 and 7. If something shows me that it's there, but pretty much I'm taking 5 minimum. Let's look at it that way. Okay. And so it came here. And when I say 5, I'm talking about percent off of my investment. So it came right down here, the 208, and it quickly bounced right here to what is this, about 29. That's a pretty good gain right there. I exited right here at 20. I got out at 20. I was happy with that. And so, yeah, that was my game plan for that one. Okay. I traded it twice. I traded it again at 198. Where's the 198 line? Oh, I moved it, but it was right here. It was based off of this one right here. No, was it that? I don't remember. I had a line, but I moved them because I was trading later. So by the time that I took this picture, I had already moved the line. But it's okay. 198. Okay. So it came in again right here. Here's the candle that did it. And it peaked down here, hit to 198. And then I got rid of it at, what was it, like, I think I got out at 210-ish or something like that. Excuse me. I can't remember exactly. But I took advantage of it. That's the bottom line. Okay, so I traded this one twice and made some pretty good profits off of it. Okay, the next stock that I traded. So we got 2 trades already with that one that we won both of them with IZEA. And then we went to SQGB, I think it is. Let's go ahead and share my screen. Yeah, SQGB. Okay, game plan. Stock is moving. Not sure on the news. There was a bunch of stuff I couldn't pinpoint the news. It was weird. Not sure on the news. Has a first buy at 50 to 46 cents. Area in the second buy was at 31. So what was I looking at? Okay, so if you look at this here, here was what I was eyeing. I was eyeing this 46 area because of this candle here. When this candle came here and bounced from there, and look, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4 other times that the time frame that the price was in this area. So I was more than willing to take my shot here. Okay, so we can see what happened. It opens. We got 15 minutes that pass, and then boom. It comes into price 46. Let's go. All we need is 4 cents for 10% gain. So let's go see what we got done. So I'm going to show you on the 3-minute time frame. Here it goes. Here is the 46 area that I bought at. I bought at 46.5. We need 4 cents for 10%. I like to hold longer on the smaller price stocks because the higher they move, the bigger you gain and the quicker you gain it. Okay, 46.5. Boom. Right here. So we said we needed 4 cents. Okay. So that means we needed 50. Did it give us 50? Absolutely. It gave us 51. Even better. Okay. So this was another great opportunity that I was able to take advantage of. Real simple, quick, easy play based off the pre-market. Okay. The next stock that I played. So now we got 3 wins. 3 wins in now. Keep track. The next stock that I played was NAKD, NAKD. Okay, this one moved. I'm sure you guys all saw this movement. This was a mover. It's funny. It was some movers and shakers today, man. You know, yeah, it was good. It was real good. So let me go ahead and share my screen and let's talk about what happened. Okay, here we go. NAKD. Game plan stock is moving. Not sure on the news. See, I told you I couldn't figure out the news on some of these today. It was weird. Has a first buy between 89 and 85. Okay, so you know me, I always want the lower price range. So I'm looking and I'm saying, okay, I'm basing it off of this candle right here. I'm willing to buy off the bottom of this wick, which was at 84. So I get in, I say I want it at 85.5. Okay. This thing, man, this thing did some enormous things today. You could have probably, actually, yes, you could have doubled your money today with this one if you held it the whole time. Okay, so here we go. Look, what does it do? It comes right into my price point at 85.5 and immediately turns around. Now, what do I need for 10%? I need 8 cents. I need 8 cents. I need 8 cents. It's 10% on the table. Yes, look at this. It came here and then it bounced up. We would need 92, and look at this. This is over here almost basically at the dollar range. So it did it, and then it pivoted, and then boom, it did it, and then it pivoted, and then boom, it did it. Okay, and then it pivoted, and then boom, it did it again. This thing, I think, topped out at 260 today. So this one really, really moved. Okay, so this one did the doggone thing. I'm gonna come back to this stock because I want to talk about something. So I can tell you guys why I didn't chase. I took a second shot at this stock, but I did not get it. Let me see if I can find where. It would probably be better seen on the 15-minute time frame. And it was at right here. Okay. I wanted to buy this off of VWAP at 115. VWAP was at 115. And I took a second shot and it came to 116. I would have held this bad boy because at this point I was up 4 trades. I was already up 4 trades. I'm always willing to hold longer when I'm up big. Plus, this had breakout pattern. Right? Breakout. Boom. breakout. Boom, look, breakout again. Oh, I was sick. I would have held to at least right here. I would have held to at least 150. Can you think about this? Getting this at 115, getting it off at 150. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's good money. Let me see. 15. So 30 is 10%, 45. So that's a 20% trade minimum. And this thing ended up going to 260. Okay, so I missed it. I was crushed by missing that second opportunity, but such is life. Okay. The next stock. This was going to be a little bit longer today because it was just so much action. The next stock that I played was IEYES. Let me share my screen. Okay. So this one, game plan. Yet another stock moving without much news. Has a first buy at 173. Okay, so here's what I'm looking at. Okay. Stock was here. And then essentially, look what it did pre-market. It basically sold through 173. So now the next buy area, the second buy area, is what I bought. I bought it literally at 155. Okay, so this thing comes in. Let's go to the 3-minute time frame. Did I put the 3-minute? I did. It comes in, look, right here to 155, and boom, dips. Not dips, but runs back up. Okay, so 155. Okay, if I need 10%, I'm looking for it to hit 70, right? Because I need 15 cents. Did it hit 70? Absolutely. Okay, I got out before that. I'm just showing you that 10% was on the plate. And this was, I think, win number 5 at that point. So 2 on Isaiah, SQGB, NAKD. Yeah, 5 wins. That's a great 5 entries, 5 wins. Who in the heck is mad at that? Not me. Okay, now let me show y'all something because this is important that y'all see this. It was some moving and shaking going on. Okay, I'm gonna go back here. I just want you to see a few things. Why do you not chase? Let me show you why you don't chase. This one, IMRN. I found out that it had government news, contract news late. I know it's got a contract with the Navy. Okay, but look. I didn't chase this one. I had it on my pre-market plan. I could only buy it down here because that's what pre-market told me. Okay, look at this. This is a very beautiful discipline breakout chart. This, my friends, is what you want to look at. This cup and handle. Oh my God, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, here was the issue for me. This stock was at $2 yesterday. Okay, and I'm not gonna chase this and buy this at 12. I'm not, because it might sell off. Okay, although it did it, it's good for it. I'm not going to buy this up here. I never chase. I want to buy a dip. Now, if this thing would have came back down here and then ran, I'm in. Okay, but I am not, and I refuse to chase. I don't care if I missed it because I've seen this sell off before. Let me give you another example. Look at NAKD. Okay, NAKD was moving. Boom, very beautiful chart, running up. Okay. And then it got up here to 260. The people who bought here, I feel so bad for them. Why? Because look what it did. Once this candle closed lower than this big boom candle here, you knew this was over. Okay? And so people bought here, they hoping, and then what did it do? It starts selling off, and then it halted here. It halted at 204. Gap down when it opened at 185. Now imagine if you got in at 240. Oh my goodness, that's killer. That just blew your pockets out of the frame. Okay, and this is why you don't chase, man. You don't chase. You just buy it on the dip. Remember I told you when I seen it run up here, I didn't try to buy it up here. I said I'm gonna try to get it down here at 115. I was off by a penny. I'll live with that. But I'd rather be off by a penny here than buy this up here and it sells off because it could have did the same thing over here. Okay, so you got to always make sure that you're not chasing, man. Don't chase. You don't have to. You don't have to. Well, there's always going to be another trading day. There's always going to be another trading day. You don't have to force anything, man. Just handle your business. Buy it on the dip. That's why I'm a dip buyer. I'm a classic dip buyer. Everything you've never seen me buy high. Look at all my videos. You've never seen me buy high. Okay, I buy on dips. I want a discount. Oh, you moving today? You was priced at 160 and I can get you at 115? Okay, I want that discount. I'm not paying for you at 240. Hey, man, please, okay? Remember that, okay? Remember that. Don't chase. Don't chase. Get it on the dip. Get it on sale. You ain't got to pay full price for nothing. All right, y'all. I'm out.